Hello, and welcome to a special video. Today we are opening up two different V-Boxes, the Boltund and the Pikachu V-Box. Alright, so each comes with 4 packs. We'll save the packs for the end, as always, and let's get started. So we're starting off with the Pikachu box. We have this Pikachu V Lightning Blast. You may discard all electric energy from this Pokemon. If you do, this attack does 120 more damage. Okay. And then Mimikyu. Heal jamming your opponent's bench Pokemon can't be healed. Okay. And then here's the code card. Comes with this jumbo card. This jumbo card seems a little thicker than usual, which is weird, but other than that. And then 2 Brilliant Stars and 2 Fusion Strike packs. Not bad. We'll save those for the end of the video. Okay, next we have the Boltund V box. So it has Boltund V. Smash turn. You may switch this Pokemon with one of your bench Pokemon and Electro Bullet. This attack also does 30 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Okay, not bad. Then we have Wooloo. No code card this time, which is weird because they always come with code cards. And then the Jumbo card. And then we have the 4 packs. 2 Brilliant Stars. An Evolving Skies. And then a Fusion Strike. Starting out with the Evolving Skies pack, we have a Fighting Energy, Vigoroth, Lombre, Fletchinder, I don't know how to say it, Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Milotic, and Seismitoad non-hollow. Okay, next is Fusion Strike. On to our first Fusion Strike pack. Sorry for the loud cars, but Leaf Energy or Grass type Energy, Beware, Skaters Park, Lopunny. I caught a Lopunny, Batman. Rookidee, Galarian Duramaka, Sizzlipede, Stuffle, Sandygast, Phalanx, and Blissey. Onto our second Fusion Strike pack. Okay, there's the code. Steel, Power Tablet, Excadrill, Phalanx, Klefki, Gross, Shroomish, Choodle, Onyx, Meowth, Electrode Single Strike, okay, and Grand Bowl non-hollow. Onto our third and last Fusion Strike pack. Alright, there's the code card. Eldegoss, Judge, Wigglytuff, Voltorb Single Strike, Shelder Rapid Strike, Eevee, Morpeko, Caterpie, Morgrem, and Galarian Cursola. Not any hits yet. Let's go to our first Brilliant Stars pack. Alright, now I personally love the Brilliant Stars set. It's just a good set overall. Good cards, good pull rates. Just an amazing set. And hopefully we'll get something good out of these. Cherubi, Riolu, Alcremie Reverse, and an Arceus V-Star. Alright, I will not complain about that. On to our second Brilliant Stars pack. Alright, there's the code card. We have Steel, Magma Basin. It's a good card for fire decks. Crawdaunt, Collapsed Stadium, Clink, Sneasel, Turtwig, Piplup, Shroomish, Tropius, and Infernape. Nice. On to our third Brilliant Stars pack. All right, here we have the code card. We have a Electric Energy, Pot Helmet, Executor, Frenzen Galar, Impidimp, Golett, Castform, Baltoy, Chimchar, Trainer Gallery Houndoom. Okay, that's nice. And then Magmortar. Good pack. On to our fourth and final Brilliant Stars pack. And our final pack of the day, we have a Leaf Energy, a Clang to go with our Clink earlier, Cynthia's Ambition, Torkoal, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hawlucha, and a Clink and an Electivire. Nice. Alright, so as usual, Brilliant Stars does not disappoint us. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and see you guys all later.